Hi guys, I'm Rahul from TechUgo and today I have got this Ambrane's wireless power bank with MagSafe compatibility. So it's 10,000 mAh wireless power bank with MagSafe compatibility and today I'm going to unbox this and review it. So let's unbox this Ambrane's wireless power bank which is Ambrane Aerosync PB10. So let's unbox this and see what's inside this box. So this is the box and you can see here it is Ambrane branding and there is model number written here which is Aerosync PB10 and it comes with 10,000 mAh wireless power bank with MagSafe compatibility. And one important thing you will notice here is it is made in India, and if we just turn it around you can see it says MagSafe charging. That means all MagSafe compatible devices will be charged by this power bank, and it has QI technology, power delivery technology, and multi layers of chipset protection. And further you can see there's details about this MagSafe power bank, that is battery capacity is 10,000 mAh and other information like input output and which devices are supported. You can see charging time is up to 3 hours through PD technology. And when it comes to compatibility, you can see MagSafe charging compatible with iPhone 12 series and above. That means if you have any iPhone of iPhone 12 series or any other iPhones that are launched after iPhone 12, it will be compatible with this wireless MagSafe charging. Alright, now let's unbox this. And this is what comes inside the box. You can see this is pretty much the paperwork inside and the information regarding this MagSafe power bank, and this is the power bank inside. So let's take it outside. And apart from the power bank, there is one cable as well inside the box, and there is nothing else. So let's put this aside, and after that here we are left with this power bank from Ambrane, and you can see the branding of Ambrane here. I'll remove the plastic to show you in a moment, but before that let's see this cable. So on one end it's USB-C and on the other end it's traditional USB. So you can use this for both purposes. Alright, let's remove the plastic. And this is the power bank, and you can see there is Ambrane's branding here, and there are few lights here as well that will blink after we turn on this power bank. And there are few ports here as well. You can see this is the power button, this is USB-C, and this is traditional USB. And there is MagSafe branding here as well. And further there are some technical info here regarding this power bank that you may read if you want, but I don't care about that. So that's pretty much. So let's power it on, and you just need to press here, and after that the light will blink on this side. So let's press this and you can see it has turned on, and this will indicate the battery level inside this wireless power bank. And by the way, you can also open this from the back like this, and it has got a stand that you can place it on your desk like this. Okay, now let's put iPhone onto it and see how it is charging. So if you just place iPhone onto it, you will see that it will snap like this and should start charging, but it is not charging right now. That means it is not completely placed the right way. You can see there is some minor bump here due to camera, and it is not perfectly aligned. So I'll just move this down a bit and it will snap completely. After that, press the power button so that it is turned on, and you will see it will start charging. So you can see it is charging right now, and the magnetic force on this wireless power bank is quite good, and it is strong enough that it is not allowing the iPhone to slip down. As you can see, I have just hold the power bank and not the iPhone. Still the iPhone is not slipping down. So this is quite good, and the size you can see is just above this iPhone 16 Pro. So this is quite small and you can fit this inside your pocket, and this can be a good companion if you are traveling around and need some battery juice before your iPhone dies. And if you want to use it on your desk to place your phone as a phone holder, then you may simply flip it up and place it on the desk like this, and your iPhone will work quite perfectly while charging as well. You can see there is this much difference here from the bottom. And apart from the iPhones, you may also charge the AirPods that has good magnetic case. So if you place it here, you will see it will snap like this and it will start charging. As you can see here, it is charging right now. So this is pretty useful wireless power bank that you may use for charging various Apple devices in your day-to-day life. And by the way, not just wirelessly, you may also charge using the cable. For example, if you have got the charging cable with you, you may put this inside this USB-C here, and on the other end, put this on your iPhone, and you will see it will start charging. Similarly, you can charge other iPhones as well. And the good thing is, while charging this, you may charge wirelessly as well. So you can see both iPhones are charging right now. Okay, now let's talk about the pricing. This MagSafe-compatible wireless power bank by Ambrane costs around 2000 INR, and in sale you may get around 2000 rupees or 1300 rupees. So in my opinion, this is a budget wireless charging MagSafe-compatible power bank that you may use and comes with 10,000 mAh battery capacity. So the price is the biggest pros of this wireless power bank. And talking about the cone, if you place the iPhone to charge onto it like this, you will notice that it will not start charging immediately, and that's because the power bank is not attached completely due to there is difference between this and this near the iPhone's camera area. So you can see camera bump here, which causes the power bank to not fully attach to this. So you will have to adjust it by placing slightly below, and after that it should start charging. But if you have other iPhones where the camera doesn't interfere much with this power bank, then you should be completely fine with this. So that's pretty much about this Ambrane Aerosync PB10 unboxing and review. What do you think guys about this 10,000 mAh wireless charging power bank with MagSafe compatibility? Let me know in the comments below. And by the way, if you want to purchase this wireless charging power bank at a discounted price, make sure you check out the video description for the link to purchase it. Thanks for watching.